Here we go. There. You barely heard it, but they just reread the message. So there you go. What a weird timing. Well, take a look at that. During a weather event too, that's kind of crazy. But yeah, we got an Amber Alert. Nice. Whoa.
Tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources.
It's not Broad County. Never mind. Oops.
Here are the two.
My fault, not Broad County. My fault.
Southeastern Alabama, southeastern Tallapoosa County and east central Alabama until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Liberty City, or 7 miles northeast of Tallahassee, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Auburn, Opelika, Tallahassee, Notice-Olga, Waverly, Liberty City, Locopoca, Roxana, and Reeltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern and east central Alabama. At 2 p.m. in Columbus, it was mostly sunny.
Nice.
7% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-60s.
Yes!
Approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the
go,
warning
V2.
alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of Columbus. This area
DSP,
includes the following
yep.
counties within the Columbus listening area. In Georgia, Chattahoochee, Harris, Marion, Muskogee,
2000?
Stewart, Talbot, and Webster.
2003, yep.
In Alabama, Lee, and Russell.
Fire.
This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
That thing went off.
Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Columbus listening area. Today, mostly sunny.
Nice.
Highs in the upper 60s.
Yes, bro.
Northwest winds 10 to 20